Hey there, Roku users. Struggling to get the Peacock app up and running on your Roku device? You are not alone. Many find themselves puzzled when the Peacock app doesn't function as expected. In this guide, we'll dive into how to fix the Peacock app not working on Roku. Let's explore some straightforward solutions to get you back to streaming your favorite shows and movies without a hitch. Step 1. Check for system updates. First things first, ensure that your Roku device is running on the latest software version. An outdated system firmware can often lead to compatibility issues with apps, including Peacock. To check for updates, navigate to Settings, System, System Update, and select Check Now. If a new update is available, proceed to install it. This simple step can resolve many glitches by ensuring your device has the latest features and security enhancements. Step 2. Restart your Roku device. A good old restart can work wonders. Sometimes temporary glitches are resolved with a reboot. To restart your Roku, go to Settings, System, System Restart. Alternatively, you can unplug the device, wait about 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Restarting clears the cache and refreshes system processes, often fixing unresponsive or malfunctioning apps. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Another common hurdle is a weak or unstable internet connection. Ensure your internet is working correctly. Check if other streaming services on Roku are functioning. If they're not, it's likely an issue with your network. You can reset your Wi-Fi router or switch to a wired connection for a more stable stream. Visit Settings, Network, check Connection on your Roku to ensure you have a strong link to the internet. Step 4. Uninstall and reinstall the Peacock app. If the problem persists, try uninstalling the Peacock app and then reinstalling it. This process can fix corrupted data within the app that might be causing the issue. To do this, highlight the Peacock app on the home screen. Press the star button on your remote and select Remove Channel. Once uninstalled, go to the Roku channel store, search for Peacock, and reinstall it. This refreshes the app and often resolves stubborn glitches. Step 5. Reset Roku to factory settings. As a last resort, consider resetting your Roku device to its factory settings. This step wipes your device clean of all data and settings, giving you a fresh start. This is important. This is going to remove all installed apps and configurations. To reset your device, go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Follow the instructions. Once completed, set up your Roku again and install the Peacock app. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pesky issues with the Peacock app not working on Roku. Whether it's updating system software, troubleshooting your network connection, or reinstalling the app, these solutions offer a comprehensive approach to tackling common glitches. Always ensure you prioritize each step to maintain efficient streaming and enjoy your favorite content seamlessly. Happy streaming.